Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI, and I am super excited to show you this great wine bar slash coffee bar that I got from Cozy Eagle. The unit came with all of the pieces and extra parts that you needed. Everything was clearly outlined and detailed. As you can see on its own, it is really beautiful. I love the rustic wood look with the industrial cabinet doors, which are magnetic close. The shelving and the wine racks hold plenty of room. Because I'm using this as a coffee bar, I only opted to put a couple of the wine racks so that I can use them. The surface is nice and roomy. It holds everything that you could ever need. As you can see, I loaded it up with all of my coffee equipment. Everything in my kitchen is now in one place, which I absolutely love. I love the look of it, and I really like that it's narrow, but yeah, it holds so much. I have coffee cups here, wine bottles, coffee, my equipment that I need, and it's just really, really nice. The industrial design along with the laminate wood is great. It feels sturdy and able to handle everything that I have on here. And I also really like that the countertop is the laminate, because then I don't have to worry about the wood or the shelving having any problems. It's really sturdy, holding up to 480 pounds in fact, so there's plenty of room and storage for it. Whether you decide to use this as a wine bar, a coffee station, or just as some extra storage in your kitchen, you will be really pleasantly surprised and happy by how durable and heavy it feels. Plenty of room to hold everything that you need, and it looks really pretty as well. But that's just my point of view.